Hello, it's Sammy. Today I'm going to teach you how to clean cells, or in other words, use trim. Trim is very useful when you're cleaning dirty data. When you get data in your work, usually there's like a bunch of spaces or a bunch of like typos and those kind of things. Trim is like your secret tool to get rid of all those extra spaces that shouldn't be there. So, for example, I got here a list of Pokemons, the type, and the total stats. If you look at it, everything looks normal except this cell. There's like a bunch of space at the beginning. However, if you click on the first one, there's like a bunch of extra spaces. So just to showcase, length is basically a function to measure how many characters or string characters within a cell. So I'm going to select this cell. It's telling me there's 15 characters in that cell. However, we're only seeing 6 of them. So when you use trim, equal trim, and then you open parentheses, you select the cell or the range or whatever, and then you close it, hit enter. Now it looks the same. However, if I measure the length of strings characters within that cell, it's going to tell me 6 compared to 15. Another use of trim is also just getting rid of extra spaces at the beginning or end, whatever. So I'm going to go ahead and type in equal trim, select open parentheses, and then select A4 because there's like a bunch of space I'm seeing. I'm going to close the parentheses and hit enter, and there you go. That's how you use trim. Like, subscribe, and share.